is Irina, and together with my colleagues, we are group number 1. We're gonna further present a presentation for global operation on Maersk PLC, a shipment company. As you can see for the following slides, we're gonna discuss about the history of lean production, what is lean production, as my colleague will further discuss. Chinyao?
Lean production is a method that focuses on reduction with the will maximize the efficiency. Its origin tracks back to 15th century. Next. Lean production is a systemic approach to minimizing what's within manufacturing and surface process will maximize value to the country. The key principles include 5 points like the picture on the right. Next. Next part is the critical value of the impact of lean production on the environment. There are 3 benefits. What's the reduction, energy efficiency, and reduce the emissions and pollution. Next. Also there are 3 disadvantages. Risk of overshoots on cost cutting, potential for increased resources using in jets, and short-term focus versus long-term sustainability. Next.
Thank you so much. I will talk about AP Miro Maersk, one of the largest and most influential shipping and logistic companies in the world. Established in 1904, Maersk is hand quality in Denmark and operates in over 130 countries with a workforce of more than 100,000 employees. Through its efforts, including Marketland, APM terminals, and Market Logistics and organization delivers a comprehensive array of services to clients, such as container logistics, supply chain management, and port operation. Maersk is the most fantastic company in the world, handling a sustainable amount of cargo all over the world due to its mission of connecting and simplify global supply chains. Maersk is a pioneer that has constantly taken on innovative technologies, for example, digital logistics solution and sustainable fuel alternatives to improve its operation efficiency. As for the environmental sustainability issues, Maersk is the industry leader. It also at the core of the journey, which is to become clean nature by 2040. Next slide. The history of Maersk is an intriguing story of continuous growth and inventiveness. Founded as Damskersbite 7 board in Denmark in 1904, it received a completed new name 8 years later after it was combined with Damskersbite of 1912. In 1928, Maersk began operating a regular land service between the US and Asia. A smoothly global trend with the acquisition of Sealand Corporation in 1999. Maersk became even more powerful and global. Maersk achieved the historic place of the largest container shipping company in the world by being P&O narrowed in 2005. After that, the company chose to sell off Maersk Oil to focus more on logistics. It amazed me that in 2023, it launched the Lula. Maersk its first metal-powered ship, which was the first time I saw it committed to sustainability very well. Next.
Maersk's external advantage is strong brand influence. Maersk has won the trust of the customer with reliable service and high efficient, and has a large number of long-term corporate customers. Maersk's internet advantage lies in having APM terminals, IoT, AI, and automated machine, which enhance Maersk's operation efficiency. Maersk's external weakness is dependence on global trade, which makes it susceptible to economic influence. The internet weakness lie in the difficulty of technology integration, the decrease in communication efficiency due to the different corporate culture, and the increase in difficulty of employee integration. Max opportunity lie in the expanding into emerging sector, promoting technology innovation through trade in Asia, Africa, and South America, and optimize blockchain management. It trains improve global economic uncertainty, fractionally improve price effective performance, and increase opportunity cost due to environment regulation. Please next one. Maxing trade lane management through the following 6 maths. First of all, opening logicals. Adopt the 5S principle to optimize transit warehouses, reduce inventory waste, and improve efficiency. Number 2, introducing new technology, including CMMS, dashboard, and document culture to help business commercial proceed efficient and business performance and enhance employee capabilities through employee development, communication, training, and guidance. Green shipping, reduce carbon emission and resource waste, minimize the impact of the shipping on the environment and the practice learn implementation. Automated robot, utilize RPA technology to improve sales efficiency and save employee time. Smartphone, APM, terminal support, marketplace shipping and logicals, business through technology innovation, increasing port internet, and using IoT technology to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance competitors. Please, next one.
As we can see from the further discussion that have been, Myers PLC, they're already using some strategies like process optimization, digitalization and automation, data-driven decision-making, fleet management and maintenance, collaboration with partners, sustainability and waste production, standardization of processes, customer-centric approach, employee engagement, and supply chain. Based on the analysis done here, we can see that Myers is already implementing and using the lean production method. Nevertheless, the lean adoption value streaming will identify waste reduction and sustainability as environmental impact, reduction of overproduction, identifying improvement area and supply chain. And here we can discuss about the real-time monitoring, collaboration across partners, then visualization of the processes and use of the resources like labor efficiency, optimal fleet management. Lean adoption using the Kaizen and continuous improvement. In continuous improvement culture, we have the employee engagement and then the process refinement. A competitive advantage can as well be improved by lower cost structure, reducing operational waste and optimizing resources use. Myers has achieved more cost-effective operational structure, which enhances its ability to offer competitive prices and better margin. And this leads further to innovative services. Then risk mitigation that must be continuously improved because they predictive maintenance, lean strategies such as the use of real-time data for predictive maintenance help reduce the risk of equipment failure and planning downtime and costly repairs, ensuring the continuity of the operation. Knowing or predicting what can happen, there can be a faster solution. So by focusing on early detection on efficiency and bottlenecks, Myers can address potential issues before they escalate. Lean adoption applying the 5S methodology, which help us to sort and improve operational efficiency, set in order, cost and reduction, shine, standardization process, and sustaining monitoring. The first step involves sorting and removing unnecessary activities like streamlining processes and faster decision making. On setting order cost reduction, we can apply to lower operational costs, inventory management, and faster turnaround times. On the shining step, regular maintenance ensures environment that promotes customer satisfaction, quality, safety, efficiency, and financial growth. On time delivery, better service quality, and increased profitability. Standardization process is very important. Create standards for processes and organization helps in maintaining improvements made in previous stages. So consistency across operation and adaptability to the market changes, and this leads to a stronger cash flow. Sustaining and monitoring, the final step involves continuously maintaining and reviewing to ensure ongoing efficiency, and this can be made through key performance indicators, regular audits and evaluations, feedback loops, and interactive improvements, and enhancing lean journey. Challenges on lean adoption. We have resistance to change that can be from cultural barriers and mindset shift, cost of investments, technology and tools, training, skills and development, integration with existing system as legacy system, data integration, complexity of global operation, diverse supply chains, coordination and collaboration, balancing efficiency with flexibility. And here we discussed about rigidity and flexibility, customization and standardization. As Maersk has diverse workforce spread across different regions and culture, employee might resist to the shift to lean practices due to the fear of change or lack of understanding of lean principle. So it is important that employees, they have ongoing training and leadership commitment. Implementing lean principle often requires significant upfront investment in technology system and tools such as data analytic platforms, automation, and system. Nevertheless, lean adoption relies heavily on data integration decision-making, but integrated data from different sources, regions, and systems can be complex. Ensuring that the data consistency, quality, and integration across Maersk global operations is a critical challenge. Furthermore, we discuss about Maersk global operation involve numerous partners, suppliers, and customers across different continents. Streamlining this diverse and geographic dispenser supply chain while applying lean principle can be difficult. Differences in infrastructure, technology, regulation, and cultural practices. For example, strict lean process might reduce the ability to respond quickly to sudden market changes or unexpected disruption, like natural disaster or geopolitical events. Maersk serves a broad range of customers with varying needs. Striking the right balance between standardization process for efficiency and the need for customized services for specific customer requirements can be challenging. As well, we have supply chain disruption, external factors, risk or offer optimization, maintaining customer satisfaction while cutting the cost. This is quality cost, quality VJ cost, customer and expectations, sustainability challenges, green initiative, regulatory compliance, overcoming short-term performance, immediate results, VJ long-term results and gains, measuring the success, supply chain complexity and the scale, high complexity of operation, managing global. Okay, so let's jump. Mitigation strategy, supply chain and operational risk mitigation. We have here the port congestion and supply. One of the challenges that the Maersk can face are the port congestion and supply chain bottlenecks, the piracy threats and geopolitical conflicts, and weather disruption like hurricanes and typhoons or any other changes in the weather condition. Cybersecurity IT mitigations, the 2017 NotPay cyber attack that caused over 300 million in losses, rising cyber threats against maritime and logistics system, vulnerabilities in IoT connected supply chain networks, geopolitical trade risk mitigation, Red Sea crisis, for example, like the Houthi attacks on vessels, and the US-China trade tensions affecting the global trade, and sanctions against Russia impacting all the logistics system. On part 2 here, we're discussing about the environmental sustainability risk mitigation, and as challenging here, we have IMO 2050 regulation with 50% emission reduction, rising customer demand for carbon neutral shipping, cost of transition to alternative fuels, container freight rate volatility, and fluctuating fuel prices impacting the cost, and global economic slowdowns affecting trade volumes. To conclude, and we have some recommendation as well. Maersk has built a multi-layered risk mitigation strategy to address operational cybersecurity, geopolitical, environmental, and financial risk. The company is evolving from a pure-play shipping giant into an integrated logistic leader, ensuring long-term resilience despite global uncertainty. While lean adoption offers significant benefits for Maersk, including cost reduction, improved efficiency, and enhanced customer satisfaction, it also presents a range of challenges: overcoming resistance to change, dealing with the complexity of global operation, managing supply chain disruption, and balancing the need for flexibility with the drive for efficiency are all obstacles that Maersk must navigate carefully. To successfully implement lean strategy, Maersk needs to invest in training, adapting systems and processes to accommodate lean principles and ensure alignment across its global operation. This requires a long-term commitment to continuous improvement, employee engagement, and ongoing adaptation to evolving market conditions. Furthermore, we have here our references. And a big thank you.